Watch 85-year-old Ruth Bader Ginsburg power through an impressive workout. Next time you're thinking about going easy on the planks or skipping the gym altogether for a couple days. "85-year-old Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg is ripping through sets of medicine ball push-ups, wall squats, and pull-downs with ease alongside her personal trainer, Bryant Johnson. The two-time cancer survivor is an octogenarian workhorse, implementing aerobics, weight training, and TRX bands in order to stay in shape and prolong her career at least 5 more years. Stories of her workouts have piqued the curiosity of both the media and the public over the years, prompting political writers and celebrities like Stephen Colbert to try the routine out for themselves. Spoiler alert, they couldn't hang. Ginsburg has said is the most important person in her life, penned a book about his experience working out with the Justice, the RBG workout, how she stays strong.